Whoa, this for the broken hearts. I pray you get back on your stamina. Failure can't stop a champion. I remember with nothing compared to them. But since I got famous, it's better now. Letting haters be jealous, I had enough. Sometimes I look back and I start to laugh.
Yo, nahoze ndi topito mbere yuko reda yitwa zo. Nitugitinya so shato u Rwanda rw'ejo muhabya bejo twe ntitubahiga kuyoka ibi byari byo original pen ya Lumumba original pen ya Mandela Martin Luther L King Boryanyuma shari na nyina nta nyinya.
I say papito. Papito ubundi niko kuno yavuze ngo kuno ziranye na ba Riderman na bandi nago bafata na bastari. Nanje bwanje papito nagari umustari kuri nje bro.
Kabisa.
Ubundi papito ni brother. Ni wa muntu nyine shobora gufata akabiti tukaba turi ku freestyle injira twari kunywera udufeji.
Reka mushimire wowe munyarwanda cyase nawe wumva ururimi rw'ikinyarwanda we muntu wari we wese ugiye gukurikirana iki kiganiro yango muri kubona imbere ya kamera za Bambario twasuye umusore witwa Satini Malik tumusanganye n'uwitwa Papito ngira ngo muramubona ameze fresh cyane bahora bifunze kabisa n'abaraperi beza cyane ntabura kuvuga ko banashoboye so yango rero natangira bahwa ikaze kuri Bambario tugakomeza ikiganiro muraza kumenya byinshi kuri bo ikaze kuri Bambario Satini.
Yo, ni wa muhungu wanyu Satini Malik 13 imizigo ilianze na bizi muri kuibyina na Piasu John Rambo with my GMC team. Shout out to N.OG. Shout out to Young Marvin. Shout out to me, you know what I'm saying? And today I'm here, man, just chilling with my nigga old Papito. What up, my gang? So what's up, man? Expect more from the gang, yo. We got a lot of projects we gotta talk about today, you know what I'm saying?
Yeah. Well, so yango murabizi ko nawe arabizi ko Bambario habaye mu rugo anytime ababizi kari tayari kuba yahatakara. So ejo mundimerutse kubona ingoma yawe yitwa Piasu hamwe na
Bulldog, Young Marvin
na
Dabo N.OG.
So irangoma yabatwaye energy zingana iki bro?
Eba undi
duishusho yayo muyishutinga.
Eba magambo atari menshi. Yari ni night vibe studio session. Twa chillings in a family kubera with Dabo N brother, Young Marvin brother, so we have our privacy vibing in the studio.
Well,
so ravizi Dabo N musazi muliza chorus ziwe wanatanjiri chana like what the fuck ni, you know, niko tosenje ku vibing. So twali kumana ba pump ni chumi ebana muri joke ntangole verse. Young Marvin atatakale mu indie verse ebana
gukorana n'umuri agent nka Bulldog wabifashe gute?
Yatangiye
nabonye no muri video ahantu kwikeba bayicaye hejuru ari wo muntu mwamwegeranye mbwira byari bimeze gute?
Ebana Bulldog shout out to Bulldog Mungu ali humble ebana vibing to his humble bro, because I know some niggas ain't humble, but shout out to Bulldog, he's been humble, man. Vibing with me in the studio. If you take a video, bro, kaletse ngagarekura bro, ngarekure. Take a video to studio to rapper bro, muniga irekwe bya hatari.
Kabisa.
Ni good time bro. You're going a legend, the bully, the dog. It's all like cool, man. It's a nice day, you know what I'm saying? Star moment, you know what I'm saying?
Wow. So, wamera mikoro Papito na tukamuikaze kuri Bambario.
Yo, what's up, Bambo? El Papito, El Diablo, Pablo Black Picasso. Yeah, innocent criminal in the house. What to do, man?
Uruyimva gute kuba kuri kamera za Bambario?
Kulo.
So,
fresh.
Papito nawe wenda abanyarwanda bashobora ko hari abakuzi ariko wenda bakurikirana Bambario wenda n'ubwambere bakubonye kuri kamera zayo wakwibwira gute umunyarwanda mu magambo make?
Yeah. El Papito n'umuhanzi nyarwanda. Yeah, harabazi El Papito ubundi nitwa Fenomeno.
Akuzi ko El Papito iryo zina ndizi.
Yeah, no kuvuga ngo ni ibice bibiri, ndimo bibiri kubera yuko ngewe nizerera muri Kalma. Mfite ibice bibiri, hari igice cya art music, hakaba igice cya art ubugeni muri rusange, you know.
Art science, I can say, I guess.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
So, Papito, ingoma zawe ako nta ngoma ufitanye na ba Paxson?
Of course, zirahari. Yeah, hari.
Yitwa gute niba ntibeshye?
Yitwa Chado.
Waduhaho kapera?
byanjabuka kuko ni ya kera cyane.
Ni ya kera.
Ya, iyo nakwibuka.
Cyangwa izina mba numva Paxson akunda kuvuga Papito, ni Papi. Ni wowe?
Umuniga wanje cyane.
So, I don't know niba ari byo ariko I hope ko byivugiye
abanyarwanda bamenye ni kimwe n'uyu mbese.
So ndashaka uze kutuganiriza utubwire relationship iri hagati yawe na Satine Mabike bimeze biti?
Satine nyine he is like brother rumba. Hari umuntu nyine mukorana umuziki ukabona ko ashoboye kandi akakwizerera muko
kabisa
nta kintu akora atangishije inama cyangwa
yego
ubu ngubu n'ubwa mbere ngeze kuri Bambariya rumba yambwiye ngo ugomba you have to be there
kabisa.
So njye ndavuga ni waho hantu ngomba kuhagera njye nkabona Bambariya icyo ushoboye nayo yeah. So
Papito, indirimbo yawe na mite nihuta na Satine duhe vibe yawe muri studio.
Hustle Pain, yo.
Yeah, Hustle Pain vibe like freestyle.
No, ukuntu byari bimeze muri studio gukorana na Satine Mabike.
Nukuvuga ngo ni ibintu byari it was too funny man. It was ntabwo twabye expectingaga ko bishoboka kuko jewe narabyutse uko gahunda yari hari Malik yararwaye malaria. The nigga was like fucked up like yeah, you know mu gitondo nyine ngiye mubwiye nsanga ararwaye byatari
yego
biba ngombwa ko yanjye kumureba urumva njya kumureba so tujya muri studio nyine urumva we yinjiye studio arwaye urabyumva
yego
ageze studio ariko we afite ukuntu yumvishe beats atakiramo ariko adakize like you know ahitakira ndabibona ko akize ko twagomba gukorana indirimbo actually yari yanjye nawe ariko byarangiye hajemo ibintu bitwa badashaka abenshi bara
Masotela. I had some Masotela. We're going to share the link with you.
It was like extra Dopzilla, Masotela. Yeah.
Shout out to Extra, man. He's a good rapper.
Yeah, Masotela, shout out to those jiggers, you know.
Shout out to Zilla too. I see this nigga getting famous. Yeah, man, keep going, man. We never met, I never met Zilla. Jena Zilla na kutojeze gura, bro. Aliko tulimuricha chiborongo Toot Gang, Hustle Pain, bro. I was like, the pen I be keeping is burning inside me. I'm feeling it coming alive into living, believing me. I'm telling the truth that you're the one listening. The reason I'm cutting you, losing, I'm leaving you. Man over bitches and bitches of riches. I'm pointing the gun on his enemies. And I'm messing when I'm on a beat. I got plan A and plan B. In this rap game, I'm grinding. They already know what it's gonna be. My fans crazy like zombies. That you know matches. If we that for it's crazy, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like fun. But nabudiyeze gura na Zilla, bro. I'll go the Extra ni Mungwanje, Papito ni Mungwanje. I'll go. I don't know Masotela. I never met Zilla. I see the nigga
like
flexing.
Indirimbo kunakozwe. Twakoze chorus twumva kuzana amaverse. So batubwiye issue yo gushyiramo abantu. So twaje bamwe batangiye gushyiramo it's okay. Turumva tugomba gukora
and we nailed it, cousin. You know what I'm saying? Shout out to us, bro. OGs.
Wow. So nibaza indirimbo yarasohotse
irahari cyane
ni ifite amashusho
actually nje
amashifite kure ko ni benshi nyine turashaka kuza amagenge yose hanyuma tugatangira
video what bivuga ngo ntago irajya hanze
irahari kuri
uretse tugatanga credit kuri Toot Gang Paco abantu mushobora kujya kuri YouTube channel ya Paco
ngubu yitwa
Paco Taj
witwa
Toot Gang ahubwo tugomba kuba link tu
okay nta kibazo mwaduha link tukayipininga so nkibaza ubundi Papito ntabwo nigeze ninjira mu irondoro wawe yema nshaka umunyarwanda gufeeling yumve Papito uri imbere ya kamera cyase Papito umuraperi umuntu ubungu ugiye kujya yiyumvira ingoma zawe gusa urumva je nizera ko mu bantu 100 ashoboka kubona kamo abantu babiri bakafeelinga ingoma zawe so nkakubaza Papito ni muntu ki Papito ni muntu ki
Papito ni umugang ni Nyamirambo igenda muri rusange urumva Papito ntacyo baza bambwira urumva
umaze gukora ingoma zingahe Papito
ntabwo nzi umubare si
nawe nta mubona uko biri kose ne
Papito is also a visual artist
and a tattoo artist Papito mwumva mu ngoma nyinshi ari uyu nguyu to ambition yawe watangiye muzika rya rumwe 2008 still uracyahasoringa
Yeah.
cyo nicyo bita gukunda music. Am I right?
Yeah.
Okay, so nkibaza kuki utagivinga up?
Ni ukuvuga ngo hari ibintu uvukana mu nda ya mama wawe ntabwo wasiga ikikwirukamo
Kabisa.
so kuvuga ngo ntabwo
karma
nshobora gutandukana na rap ndimo nanjye nyirimo, which means
nizihe mbogamizi ujya uhura nazo Papito muri music?
imbogamizi nyine urumva ni nyinshi, ariko nyine ntabwo nabura kubivuga imbere ya camera.
Yego.
Dufite abantu benshi baba badashaka ko tuba bo turibo.
Yego.
Sibyo? Nandi maji aramaniga menshi bitwa ba smooth, bitwa ba esco, ya hala to esco, hala to smooth, abo bose barimo na slave coast, abaniga nk'abo nyine.
So niki cyagukoye muri Batman? Cyane ikiriho waduha
hari, ariko no kuvuga ngo njyewe mfite gang yanjye.
Ufite nawe washinze gang yanjye.
Gang yanjye
waretse kuyoboka ikundi uyobora ikundi. Ibyiza cyane kabisa. So ndashaka kuza kumenya ya ngoma yanyu yitwa Hasopeni kubera iki mwahise Hasopeni? Wamera Marika akabanza kamanuze.
Okay, akantu gato yitwa Hasopeni kubera yuko yo nahoze ndi topito mbere yuko Reda yitwa Zo. Nitugitinya so shato u Rwanda rw'ejo muhabya bejo twe ntitubahiga kuyoka ibi byari byo. Original pen ya Lumumba, original pen ya Mandela, Martin Luther, El King hanyuma, shari na nyina nta nyinya muduteza abana batumena ibikoma gusa stay king god damn. Nuko ibintu byaje kugenda nyine tuvuga
Papito,
you know,
ndaguciye mu ijambo man. Ufite ya rap y'umwimerere.
Urakoze cyane papa.
Ya rap tuziye ya rap twumvaga twiga za secondaire cyangwa za primaire abantu bagaguruka man. Ya rap yaba P nkuko babivuze kabisa. So ngira ngo turi buvugane turebe ko hari movement natangije, sibyo? Turimo even ndashaka ko na Satin Malik abantu nyine bafite ya hip hop iri heavy, ya hip hop iri hardcore cyane nk'iyo ngiyo bajye mujye mudufasha man, sibyo? Turebe ko bana b'abanyarwanda nabo apana kuza ngo niyumve nk'umuraperi biraho biri no sense, sibyo? Marike wumvishe gute cyangwa usanzwe namuzi ufata gute Papito mu bijyanye n'injyana?
Ubundi senje asa Papito Papito ubundi niko kuno yavuze ngo kuno aziranye na ba Riderman na bandi nago bafata na ba star. Nanje bwanje Papito nagari umustar kuri nje bro.
Kabisa.
Ubundi Papito ni brother. Ni wa muntu nyine shobora gufata ka beat tukaba turi ku freestyle injira twari kunywera udufeyi nanje mba ndi na pulinze ku Rwanda n'iki umunsi ukaba meze gutyo tumana vibes freestyle.
Uyu nguyu ni mu rapper nemera mu Rwanda ndabivuze kuri kamera.
For sure,
for real.
But
na muntu mu Rwanda ufite verse nk'izuyu murara.
I still got a little challenge. Man, after challenge bro ngomba kurapa mu Kinyarwanda neza bikagororoka uko.
I'm your fan kubera yuko babyumva.
I rap in English in Swahili.
Umva English yuko iri hard.
No, ntabwo uri no kufunga iri hard. Ahubwo we afite ni technique as rap ubigenda kubera ntabwo ururimi buri happy. Ururimi nta kintu ruvuze ahubwo technique ya rap ugomba.
Reka mubaze Papito. Ari Satin Malik. Kubijyanye na hip hop na
Pifla na gahinja
ari Satin Malik
no
na Patsy
cyane bro alikuwa kunezi
no. Okay, let me say
something. Bro, sorry
let me tell you something. Reka nkubwire ngiye kuvuga ikintu nabonesheje amaso yanjye sibyo ndahamya ko ari nayo mpamvu Buda bakoranye indirimbo uyu nguyu twari turi guciringa gutya Buda yari yirukanse yagiye no kwihisha. You remember the day?
No.
Nta nubwo ari kure cyane ni hano hafi man.
Sure?
Twari turi guciringira ahantu.
Reka ngira ikintu ngira.
Ariko Papito na. Ese mbikubweza ndo. Uzikubweza bro. Alesi umva bro. Man, ibintu tubifate serious bro. Na michino bro na bya kuyemera cyangwa. Man bro, Buda man ni umusaza man. Ubundi nje nagize moment nziza kuciringa na Buda. Turi gukora ingoma GMC Records. Ndio na mwenye moment tukana freestyling neza. Ahubwo we met at the club, man. Back in the days, I don't think he even recognizes me, man. Those days, man, it was like late night vibe, and some niggas told me, yo, we want you to pull up with Buddha out there. Buddha gave me time, man, my umganya. Now we are not Rapp, man. I go, you know, he was like, you know, but njewa nalinziko nyini na kubise ku. Augo man to twajize time man kuli studio man na mwenye ko Buddha wallahi Buddha ni jikoko, bro. I know. I had an inspiration, you know. I was writing, I was recording, but they showed me the spotlight. And so it's good to be on this spotlight, and I want to move with the whole gang. So trust me, man, expect me to be doing crazy songs with El Papito, crazy videos too. So we are just here working so hard, praying that we achieve this goal, because it takes a lot of investments, you know what I'm saying? So your niggas, man, just wait now, we coming, you know what I'm saying? All these young niggas you see on Bambaleo, you know what I'm saying? All these, I seen talents in this shit, you know. I seen this young nigga called Zewa, you know what I'm saying? You know, I was watching this whole series of freestyle battles, and I'm impressed, you know, this young nigga Zewa, this young nigga, you know, this nigga sometimes, you know, this Yanti K nigga in this, you know, I remember that nigga, he nigga, he kind of fell, but you know what I'm saying? But these niggas are trying, and this is what they deserve, man. They deserve.
What you say about the HD?
Actually, you know, he kind of failed though. I saw that, you know, he kind of failed, but you know, I wanna be like, you know, keep up, nigga. They battle you this time because you ain't prepared. You know what I'm saying? You ain't ready, motherfucker. So you go back there, practice. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I want this nigga to go practice and come back. And trust me, bro, I'm watching. And I'm ready to do a song with any of this young nigga. Too focused, you know what I'm saying? I'm looking forward. I'm preparing my trap mixtape. You know what I'm saying? So I'm looking for young niggas to be collaborate in my shit, you know what I'm saying? I want them to be cooperating with me. Yo nigga, yo man, keep on going, yo man. My nigga HD, yo.
Check the nigga. Binafs Yusuf.
Yan Binasi, yeah, that nigga is like, yo, that nigga is like a straight up rapper from hell, you know what I'm saying? Because his flow is massive, you know what I'm saying? I can say that nigga is too talented, and he was speaking some Swahili,
nigga,
deep shit from Mombasa, whatever he came from. But I respect that shit.
Yeah,
I respect. I want these niggas to come back because I want to be watching. You know, yo Bamba, I beg you, man. Look for more artists, bro. Make this a movement. Because me, sometimes I sit at home and I be watching. Okay, you know what I like to watch seriously? I like to watch hip hop battles, man. I watch Hot 96. You know what I'm saying? And then I watch you know, I like to watch the fuck Sway in the Morning, you know what I'm saying? Some crazy freestyle battle, you know, on YouTube. I go out YouTube and watch a lot of freestyle, Sprite freestyle battles, you know what I'm saying? Different kind of vibes. But it's too far from here, you know what I'm saying? So I want to watch something from home. It's good to see these young niggas doing this, bro. You know?
Yeah.
That's great.
Sometimes it's nice that I walk in the street and I meet them. I'm like, yo, nigga, I see you. Nigga, I see you. Keep doing your thing, you know. Shout out to these young niggas.
Good things, man. Yeah. For real.
Thank you, my brother. I will try my best. Like I'm promising ntabwo nzigera mpagara. Even if byakwanga nzatryinga kujya ku mwuka wa nyuma. Ariko abantu bashayininga.
Wowe uri kutubaza impamvu tudahagarika rap kandi nawe umuraperi buriya. Wowe ukunda rap nyine n'ugutayiririmba. Nta kuntu waba uri gusupportinga biriya bintu on your own without no support though.
I will try my best. Papito, thank you for appreciating. Sibyo kandi Bambaleo mba promising ko ni mu rugo anytime ugize igikorwa komi kabisa, no cost for support. Nta giciro. Ari abantu benshi ushobora kugana akakunaniza cyangwa ntagwe time. Ngira ngo wagiye uhura nabyo uri muri Janderi urabizi. Ariko Bambaleo niho azanyura ibintu bya for free. Ariko umuntu deservinga kwa. Hari ukubuje gukora for free tukagerageza kugeraho tugugeze ariko deservinga. Wumvishe nka hip hop yawe ngira ngo ni hip hop nziza, ni hip hop y'umwimerere. Nta gushakisha, ubona ko ni n'umuntu uba witurije. Ngira ngo tuzakorana n'ikindi kiganiro terekeranye uko watangiye music uko byagenze, ngira ngo uzabinyemerera.
Shobora kubwira abanyarwanda
Hola, tio. Hola, man. C'est que capitaine, mind ya Einstein, indio boishen. Carme, camouflage, zaba gendarme. Rap kuri njye ni nka damage. Ntera buri gihe mfite courage. Kuri iyi voyage sans bagage, kunyaje munera na ndutiage.
What?
Go ahead. Though.
So man, ega Marike nawe akubita icyo bita
Get it, come on.
Yeah. Whoa, this for the broken hearts. I pray you get back on your stamina. Failure against up a champion. I remember with nothing compared to them. But since I got famous, it's better now. Letting haters be jealous, I had enough. Sometimes I look back and I start to laugh. What if I was not gonna be popular? I'm counting my blessings, I'm popping up. I pull up with a gang, this a lot of love. And I put in some lawyer on top of that. I came from the treasure, follow the light. Jesus, peace on my neck, this a hell of vibes. 1994, my mama survived. She gave birth to a bottle and I watching grow. But her life was ending, she had to go. I still feel around me, I'm not around. After the rapper become a star, they thought I was bluffing, I started shine. Yo, my niggas, yo.
Kill him.
Wow, man. So, uravuze ati 94.
My mama survived. She gave birth to a bottle and I watch him grow. But her life was ending, she had to go. I still feel around me, I'm not alone.
Great job,
You know what I'm talking about? I always give shout outs to my mom. You know, she did an amazing job to give birth to me. 10 kgs, baby. You know what I'm saying? That's a crazy mystery, but you know what I'm saying? Bro, man, I'm a heavy baby to carry in a womb, you know what I'm saying? But my mama did. So shout out to you, mama, you know what I'm saying? Crazy boy you gave birth to, you know what I'm saying? I'm out here disturbing the universe, you know? Kicking our rims. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy, mama. I don't know what to say no more, you know what I'm saying? But I love you.
Ndamya ko ari kukumva
Mama, I love you, you know what I'm saying?
ndamya ko ari kukumva kandi nta muntu buriya wanyemeje nka Marike sibyo Marike ni umusore wanyemeje cyane ariko tuzaba tubivuga behind camera kabisa ariko kaba kancitse ariko this my guy man ni fresh sana kandi mubwira ngo akomerezaho nagafata nazatwibagirwe
turagafatana huko
brother twebwe mu yandi magambo twitwa original ntabwo wahindurwa na cash
kabisa
hari abanyarwanda nyine bateye gutyo yamara kuzibona ngahita nibagirwa
ahubwo bamba nje nshaka numva ko nshaka gukora na collabo nshaka featuring na umuhungu cyangwa babiri muri ya genge muri gukorana tu muri za cypher umuhungu uzanselect ngira umuhungu arimo neza rwose
so nuko ngo nibyo najya mbwire Papito hamwe nawe ndeya muzamfashe tujye tujyana ku ma site tujye gukora battle uzatsinda tuzamuha chance yo gukorana nawe
bara abahungu tugombe nta turatwika nabo
sibyo tubari noneho nanjye za surviving for video
ubwo ngiye kugenda kurikirana numva ebana cypher zose uzajya mu link
ariko umuntu uzajya ubona rwose adashoboye mujye mumbwiza ukuri ugati huso
wana guduheza
yahuze wabona
huso
kabisa ngenda imboga
ugomba kuba original kugira ngo nyine batazabeshyira bari munsi
ni movement dutangiye kandi
ntabwo ushoboye ijya gukora
ibintu ari umwaka
kabisa
kamwanze ariko hari akantu nyine kamujabutse
kabisa
nawe ya
mamya ko reka mubaze ikibazo kimwe Satini ngewe soza nibuka utuntu nabari nari cyano no kubonyeho so ni ama brother yago nawe uhasoringa mubona uri umuntu nakubonyeho uri umuntu
umurwayi
kubera iki wagiye yurumu kandi ugiye gupresentinga byose
no wewe ushobora kuba wabonye kuri Instagram ya Yago wabonye kuri IG no mwe mugiye kuri nuza kuri YouTube channel ya Yago muri video
wowe nande
Najina gang ubundi Najina gang hanje N original Instagram mu following umuhungu ari hejuru abana mungu niyo wanshigikira cyane kandi bro thanks ebana ndi kumwe na Central Park ya Rutalama mungu turi kumwe bro murebe
okay nuko narebye kuri Instagram
Yago na after love man shout out to Yago after love inashika mungu ashaka mungu azamuke impamvu yanjugunye mwariya turabizi kugira ngo
ndabizi ko Yago nakatagira nawe rwose tumushimira
afite ukuntu agira utu video
peace brother
n'umuntu wakubari kuri izi platform
shaka kubahuza na Bamba
tuzawisha
none mukangura ka interview ka abantu babiri muri muri kumvibingisha mwese mura vibinga byatari
kabisa well so reka mbashimire cyane mbizeze ko turi kumwe anytime tuzakomeza Nyarwanda zakomeza babone yegeye nyitera kuvuga kabisa ntago umuntu ushoboye azigera zima mpari
ntago bibaho
so reka nshimire umuntu wese wakurikiranye iki kiganiro ndamya ko cyabaye ikiganiro cyiza kirimo vibe ebana ndi twibanze ku ngingo runaka twaganiriye Bamba rero ni mu rugo Papito utangira feeling as home
Bamba real respect man
okay so shimire wowe wabanye natwe aho uri mu nce zitandukanye z'igihugu nawe uri hanze yacyo wowe wumva ikinyarwanda ndagushimiye wakurikiranye iki kiganiro njye nisedu nk'ibisanzwe ni Bambariyoro nakubwira ngo akaryoshye nigahora mwitama hasta la vista.